Good afternoon, I am Riya and you are watching Newsmic. Here is an important update from Punjab and Haryana. Punjab will hold a blackout mock drill on Friday evening in Jalandhar and Ludhiana to test emergency preparedness. The 15-minute exercise will begin with a siren alert followed by the blackout and rescue response practice. Officials have asked people not to panic and to avoid using lights or backup power during the drill. The drill will include coordination between NDRF, police, fire brigade and health terms. Authorities said the exercise is part of routine civic defence preparedness. Illegal resort in Anandpur Sahib, Punjab is facing controversy as activities continue despite orders from authorities and ongoing police case. Villagers alleged loud music, events and regular visitors at this site, causing disturbance and environmental damage. Officials says the matter involves a violation of forest and environmental laws. A case under the Punjab Land Preservation Act has already been registered. Authorities have said action will be taken as per law after coordination between departments. Only 37% of wheat has been lifted from Rohtang grain market till 22 of April, below the district average, causing concern among farmers group over delayed payment. Over 90% wheat has arrived in mandis, but lifting is still pending in several centers. Officials said multiple agencies are handling procurement and steps are being taken to speed up the process. ED raids 12 locations in rupees 145 crore Panchkula MC Kotak Bank fraud case. The ED carried out raid at 12 locations in connection with the rupees 145 crore Panchkula MC Kotak Mahindra Bank fraud case. The probe revealed alleged diversion of funds through fake accounts and forged documents involving official and private individuals. Search lead to a recovery of key documents and the investigation is still ongoing. Chandigarh realtor shot dead outside gym in broad daylight attack. A 31-year-old property dealer Charanpreet Singh was shot dead outside a Chandigarh gym when bike-prone attackers fired around 8 bullets at him on Wednesday. He was rushed to PGI hospital but dead due to several injuries. CCTV footage shows the attacker fleeing and police are trying to identify them. This is the second firing incident in Chandigarh within 24 hours and the area has been put on alert. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.